What's good, YouTube? I am back here with another custom. And today, we got some Vans. I'm gonna crack open the box real quick. What these shoes little? What? What these shoes so little? I thought this shoe was gonna be big. We'll be working with a lace-up Van. As you can see, I've actually not did a pair of these before, but I've done other Vans. If you can look at some of my previous videos, I'll put a card up below. But these are gonna be Toy Story. So one shoe's gonna be Buzz, one shoe's gonna be Woody. I've done this custom plenty of times, so it's gonna be a walk in the park. The shoe is gonna be for a special little kid that actually was excited to know that I was gonna be doing these shoes. So I decided to make a YouTube video out of it. So I said so about 30 times. 31. So let's go ahead and get straight into this custom. Buzz, got Woody. I like how these came out, man. These are pretty easy to do, pretty quick. I hope the kids are gonna enjoy them. This is a big shout out to him, man. He was very excited when he knew I was gonna be doing his shoes. So I can't wait to see what his reaction is when I deliver them to him. But yeah, this is pretty much gonna conclude the video. Here the shoes are again. I will give you guys a B-roll to end the video. But also, I am about to start doing my merch. I'm gonna be doing pre-orders. This is my hoodie. God is a goat. It's pretty much how it looks. But you gotta follow me on Instagram to figure out when I will be dropping these hoodies. My Instagram is at G1GB Go over there, follow me. That's how you'll know when I'll be doing the pre-order for these, so you can get a hold of the merch. But yeah, like I said, guys, that pretty much is gonna do everything for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.
G1GB, I know that you see me. Like and subscribe, you can see I'm doing